What is going on, my fine people? Fineline1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release November 19th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 4 White Midnight Navy. This one drops October 29th. If you want to pick these up early, you can do so on Fineline1721.com. The shoe will be shipping out before the release date. Next, we got the Air Jordan Retro 11 Cherry. This one drops December 10th. It's also available for pre-order. All pairs will be shipped out early as well. Also, I have full reviews live on the channel on both of these releases if you want to check it out. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have the standard Retro 1 OG style box with a few key visual differences. The top lid is replaced with an orange one, and also the edges is like scraped up like if it's been sitting around for over 20 years. Color description is varsity red, black, sail, muslin. Another key element to the box theme is also right here on the side, where you have two sail stickers stacked on top of each other. And the neat thing about this is it's actually like you can actually feel kind of like the groove, like if they actually put sail stickers on top of the box after the fact. Now, flipping the box lid up, we do have a stamp right here on the top lid, and it also has a receipt right here from a made-up store called Sandy Bros Sports Depot, as you can see here. Inside the box also we have some Jordan promo paper. Now let's go ahead and peel all of that back and let's get into this shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Chicago Lost and Found. Getting right into the accessories, they do come factory laced with two sets of laces, one white, one black. Also no cardboard. These come with the gray tissue paper. Taking a look inside of the shoe, all white insole, red Nike Air branding, black sock liner, red tab with the white Nike Air branding. The tongue is also aged, well, it's yellowed a little bit. It doesn't actually look that yellow in hand, kind of almost looks sail. We have the cracked leather effect right here on the toe box. The red leather is actually not as stiff as it seems or it looks on pictures. I thought that they were gonna feel more like the high 85 retros with that real stiff leather. It's a nice thick leather, but it definitely has some nice little flexibility. Taking a look at the lateral side of the shoe, the Nike sign does not have any aging effect, nor does the red leather. The only parts that have the cracked leather effect is the toe box, the mid panel, and of course around the ankle collar. The midsole and the outsole has a slightly aged effect. As you can see, the midsole is not bright white, it's more of a sail colorway. And also taking a look at the bottom, it's actually kind of like washed out and kind of dusty looking to make it seem like it's been sitting in the box for over 20 years. Taking a look at the back of the shoe, the Air Jordan 1 wing logo is definitely a nice upgrade over regular Air Jordan Retro 1 OGs. It doesn't have that shiny paint effect. It's a embossed rubber, very reminiscent to the high 85 OG. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Every part that is has a aged cracked leather effect is present on this side as well. So that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Chicago Lost and Found. If you want to pick these up, you can do so on Fineline1721.com. Pairs are shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.